It is the wildest day of the year. Prices are dropping. People are running. It is chaos.
I got it. I got the last TV. It was 90% off.
Leo, read the sign carefully.
Up to 90% off select accessories.
Oh no. So the TV is full price?
Yep.
You fell for the marketing trap.
Don't be like Leo. Don't let the sale signs trick you.
Welcome to Black Friday. Today, I will teach you the vocabulary of shopping so you can save money, not lose it. Let's go shopping.
It is that time of year again. The turkey is eaten, and the wallets are open. It is Black Friday. For Americans, this is not just a Friday. It is a sport. People camp outside stores. They run. They fight for televisions. But for English learners, Black Friday can be confusing. You see signs like Doorbuster, BOGO, clearance. You see emails about promo codes. If you don't understand these words, you might lose money. Or worse, you might buy something you can't return. Today, I will give you the Black Friday Survival Kit. Level 1. In the store. Understanding Doorbusters and early birds. Level 2. The math. Decoding BOGO and up to. Level 3. Online shopping. Mastering Cyber Monday and checkout. Are you ready to save some money? Let's go to the store. Part 2. Level 1. The Doorbuster. Did you hear Mia say Doorbuster? This is the most famous Black Friday word. A doorbuster is an item with an incredibly low price. Maybe a TV for $100. Why do stores do this? To bust or break the doors open with crowds of people. But be careful. Usually there are only 5 or 10 doorbusters available. Phrase 1. First come, first served. This means the first people in line get the item. If you are late, you get nothing. Phrase 2. Early bird. An early bird deal is a special price for people who shop very early in the morning. The early bird catches the worm. Phrase 3. Sold out. This is the saddest phrase. It means there are no products left. I'm sorry. The laptops are all sold out. Let's watch Leo try to understand the different types of sales signs in a clothing store.
Mia, it is 4 a.m. Why are we standing in line?
It's freezing. We need to get in early, Leo. I want that new laptop. It is a Doorbuster deal. They only have 10 units at this price.
Doorbuster? Does that mean we break the door?
No, it means a super low price to get people inside the store.
Ah. So if we are late, we miss it?
Exactly. It's first come, first served. Get ready to run.
Okay, I am ready. Let's get that laptop.
Part 3. Analysis and Level 2. BOGO and clearance. BOGO. It sounds funny, right? BOGO stands for buy one, get one. But you must read carefully. Sometimes it is buy one, get one free. This is great. Sometimes it is buy one, get one 50% off. This is okay. Another tricky phrase is up to. If a sign says up to 70% off, it does not mean everything is 70% off. It means one ugly shirt is 70% off, and the nice things are only 10% off. Don't be tricked like Leo. And finally, clearance. Clearance means the store wants to clear the space. These items are very cheap, but often they are final sale. Final sale means you cannot return it. If it doesn't fit, you are stuck with it. Now, what if you hate crowds? You stay home. Let's talk about Cyber Monday.
Look at these shoes. The sign says BOGO. What is a BOGO? Is it a brand?
No, Leo. BOGO stands for buy one, get one.
Oh. So if I buy one, I get one free?
Usually. But sometimes it is buy one, get one 50% off. Check the fine print.
Okay. What about this rack? It says clearance.
Clearance means they are selling old items to make space.
Oh.
It is the cheapest stuff.
Well, it is cheap, but it is a bit tight. No.
That's why it is on clearance. It's final sale, no returns.
Part 4. Analysis and Level 3. Online shopping. Shopping in your pajamas. That is the dream. Cyber Monday is the Monday after Black Friday. It is the biggest day for online sales. Here is your online vocabulary list. Word 1. Cart. This is your virtual basket. You add to cart. Word 2. Promo code. This is a secret word you type to get a discount, like save 20 or free ship. Do you have a promo code? Word 3. Shipping. This is the delivery cost. Everyone loves free shipping. Sometimes you abandon your cart because shipping is too expensive. Word 4. In stock, out of stock. In stock means they have it. Out of stock means it is gone. Let's see if Leo can handle the speed of online shopping.
I give up. The stores are too crazy. I am going to shop online.
Good idea. Wait for Cyber Monday. The online deals are better.
I found a promo code. SAVE20. Let me apply it to my cart.
Did it work?
No. It says code expired, and now the item is out of stock.
You have to be fast online, Leo. It's a digital race.
Part 5. Vocabulary focus. Out of stock. The nightmare of every online shopper. Before we practice, let's review the key vocabulary from today. Word 1. To browse. This means to look around the store without a specific goal. I'm just browsing, thanks. Word 2. A steal. If something is very, very cheap, we call it a steal. It's almost like you stole it. This TV was only $200. It was a steal. Word 3. Rip off. The opposite of a steal. It means the price is too high. It is a bad deal. Don't buy that. It's a rip-off. Word 4. Shopaholic. Someone who is addicted to shopping. My sister is a total shopaholic. Part 6. Shadowing practice. Now, let's train your voice. We are going to do a shadowing practice. I want you to use emotion. Imagine you are excited about a sale or angry about a price. Phrase 1. The excitement. Look at this. It's buy one, get one free. Look at this. It's buy one, get one free. Phrase 2. The disappointment. Oh no. It's out of stock. Oh no. It's out of stock. Phrase 3. The success. I got it for 50% off. It was a steal. I got it for 50% off. It was a steal. Phrase 4. The question. Excuse me. Is this item on clearance? Excuse me. Is this item on clearance? Great job. You sound like a savvy shopper. Part 7. Conclusion and CTA. So, let's recap your survival kit. 1. Doorbuster. A super cheap deal to get you in the store. 2. BOGO. Buy one, get one. 3. Clearance. Cheap items Usually no returns. 4. Promo code. The magic word for online discounts. Shopping is fun, but remember, it is only a deal if you actually need it. Don't buy it just because it is cheap. Now, I have a challenge for you. In the comments below, tell me, what is the best steal you ever bought? Did you get a phone for half price? A dress for $5? Use the phrase, I bought an item for price. It was a steal. I love hearing about good deals. If this video saved you money, please smash that like button and subscribe to Grow English Mastery. I'm Scarlett. Shop smart and speak fluently. See you next time.